Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to always appear active on Slack. Alright, so let's begin. Currently, I am on Slack in a random channel. You might notice various elements like GIFs or messages, which can be ignored for now. If you wish to appear online, you need to adjust your status at the top of the Slack interface. For instance, if your status is currently set to away, you can manually change it to active. To do this, go to where your profile picture or status indicator is located. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you can select Set yourself as active to change your status from away to active. This ensures that your colleagues can see that you are available. This method can be done both on the browser version of Slack as well as the desktop app. Simply follow the same steps. Click on your profile and choose the status you wish to set. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.